Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California. This time I'm going to talk about how to solve an issue from interactive broker. The error is the contract description specified for SPX is ambiguous. SPX may be other symbols for contracts, so you may not see it as SPX. So let me switch to iBridgePy. iBridgePy Plus is designed for Jupyter Notebook to interactively communicate with interactive brokers. So let me run it. The first block is to make sure the Python path is correct. The second block is to import a few functions. And this is the iBridgePy function called build active iBridgePy Plus, and the input parameter is the paper account number. The output is the iBridgePy Plus object so that we can use it to run different iBridgePy functions. After you see your account information, it means the iBridgePy Plus object is active at the moment. Then next, I want to demo how you will see the error message. What I'm going to do is first use an iBridgePy function called super symbol to define a contract of option. The symbol is SPX. And then I want to request historical data. This is the iBridgePy function. You can see that I put currency exchange, primary exchange, right, expiry, strike, multiplier there. And also I added include expired equals true because this contract has expired. So when I need to request historical data, I must put in include expired equals to true. Otherwise, IB won't return a historical data. Let's run it to see how it goes. Okay, something wrong. And the error message is contract description specified for SPX, which is the symbol, is ambiguous. This is IB's error message. And iBridgePy print out the contract information for you to debug. And this is the error trace. So we see the error message, but why is ambiguous? That is the question we need to answer. To answer this question, I'm going to use another iBridgePy function called get contract details. Using this one, we will know why there is ambiguous in the definition. We put it, let's say, option SPX. The field I put here is contract ID. I have another tutorial talk about contract ID. In very short explanation, contract ID is a globally unique ID for contracts offered by interactive brokers. So I want to see if there are multiple contracts, please show the contract ID. So when the contract definition is ambiguous, I expect to see different contract ID there. So currency, exchange, right, expiry, strike, multiplier. Let's run it to see how it goes. Okay, we see contract ID. Many contracts, at least two, have different contract ID, and their value is this one and this one. So it really tells me that there are two contracts which can be defined using this way. Then how can I find out what are these contracts by contract ID? So we can go to IB's official contract database. I have a previous tutorial talk about IB contract official database. It will like this. You can just simply Google IB official contract database. It will be directed to this page. So for this page, because we are dealing with options, so I choose option tab here, and then I change security ID type to contract ID, and then I want to find out what is this contract ID means. Let's put contract ID and then search. Okay, it's coming out. So more details, let's put it there. So you can see symbol SPX, exchange CBOE, option, contract ID, and expiration date, strike, put, multiplier, style, something like that. It's normal. Then let's switch to the other contract ID. And search it again. Okay? I assume this is the other one. 2203. 2203. Yes. No, not this one. Let's click 2203. Yeah, this is the contract. We can see symbol SPX, CBOE, option, contract ID, expiration, strike, put, multiplier. Everything is same. Then, what are the true difference? Let's bring up the other page. And then let's compare. We can see it's pretty much similar. Expiration date are a little bit different. Strike, right, multiplier. So but you can see contract ID are different, which means something must be different. Actually, if you keep going, you will find out local name. Here is SPX, and here is SPXW with a string of numbers. That's different. And also you can see local class are different. SPX, SPXW. What does it mean? What is local class? So local class, if you search online, what is local class? You will get answer that local class is an attribute used to differentiate different contracts and looks like is specific to interactive brokers. So it tells me that contract ID is unique, but if we use expiration date, strike, right, etc., we may cause the definition ambiguous. So the solution is to use local class. Let's come back to here. So this time, I want to change a little bit. The change is here. I want to use tradingClass equals to SPX and see how it goes. Okay, this time the error message is historical market data service, no market data permission for this one. Yeah, makes sense because I didn't pay for it, but it means my definition is correct. Another way to solve the problem is to change to contract ID, and let's switch to this one. And let's run it again to see how it goes. Yes, same error. No market data, which means my definition is correct, but I don't pay for it. And let's switch to the other one to see how it goes. It should go through. No? No. The reason probably because the no market data, same error. Same error. It means that the solution is to either provide contract ID or trading class. That is the solution. And this is Dr. Hui Liu. If you have any questions about trading with interactive brokers or using average pi, welcome to contact with me. And my email is iBridgePi@gmail.com. Thank you.